Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to use smart trick of Excel. So I have a data in which there are a lot of names mentioned, and this data is already typed and it's almost done. But now uh, it is a requirement of adding a salutation ahead of this name. So what is to be done? Do I need to type this data again? No. Do I need to manually type this salutation? No, that's not the solution. What you can do is you can use a smart trick of Excel, like I type as equal to double inverted comma, I'll write as Mr. Give a space, double inverted comma close, and I'll mention the cell name, that is B4. It is equal to double inverted comma Mr. space, and B4